Today, I'm showing you the full cooking event guide in Grow A Garden Roblox. We're covering how to cook dishes, how to feed the pig chef, and of course, how to claim those awesome event rewards. Let's get right into it first. Head over to the cooking event area in the game. You'll see a big cooking station where you can start combining crops to cook different recipes. Before we cook, here's a quick look at all the recipes you can make. Feel free to pause and screenshot this list for reference. Alright, the pig chef wants a cake, so let's make that. For the cake, you'll need 1 watermelon, 2 corn, 2 bananas. I've got these ready. So I'm heading to the cooking station. I drag in the 1 watermelon, 2 corn, and 2 bananas. Then hit cook. Now, here's the important part. You've got to wait a few minutes for the cooking to finish. Once the timer runs out, collect your freshly cooked cake from the pot, or you can speed it up by using Robux. Next, walk over to the pig chef and hit try this food I cooked up. And just like that, you get your reward. Keep cooking different dishes and feeding the pig chef to earn more event points and unlock cool rewards. Try cooking every recipe to get everything the event offers, and that's how you complete the cooking event in Grow A Garden Roblox. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more fast tutorials, and comment below. What's your favorite dish to cook? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!